guys, it's DJ Girl here. Today we are playing Flee the Facility. Is this malfunctioning? This is malfunctioning. Okay, we gotta. I'm leaving. Where's my mouse? Oh, there's my mouse. I was like, where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Because it's flashing my snow right there. It was camouflage. Okay, we gotta restart that. Okay. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna give a shout out, but to nobody. If somebody really wants a shout out, leave it in the comments. We're starting. Woo-hoo. Let's see. We're done. We're just waiting here. You, get away. Get away. What's wrong with this thing? Come on. Seriously? What's wrong with it? Sorry guys, I'm a little sick. So, let's do that again. We're gonna keep doing it again. Oh man! Oh wait. Where should I go? Huh? Okay, I'm done. Okay, I couldn't do this. I couldn't do this. I spit it out. Yay, finally, you're working. Oh, it was like camouflage. Boom. You failed.
This old lady made
I failed.
Pledge of Allegiance. Stand.
What?
Am I
oh, I forgot you guys. I'm still having my own. And guess what? Bang, bang, bang. Look at my thing. I really like my hair, but if I'm to base this round, I'll be like so excited right now. Okay, finally, this one is finally. It was like, boom, this one, we love it. Everyone loves our map. Everybody loves this map. Oh map, oh map, oh map, oh map. Oh everybody, this map, oh map, happy map. Get done. Yeah, I love this day. So if the bee scars me and I never get charged, somebody can actually save me. They can have a chance to save me. Thank you. Yay! It's by me. I'm just joking. It's not by me. I'm just pretending. Pinky pinko da. Pinky. I'm the beast. Yeah, I'm the beast. I want to hang out with my hammy. My hammer. Let's go. What? I gone right to our computer. Wow, yay. Wow, yay. Wow, yay. Wow, yay. Wow. Boo. Oh, it's that one. I was like, boo, I found you. No. Okay, guys, that's where the what? Oh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. She revealed herself. Thank you so much for revealing yourself. I would love to reveal yourself. Eat it.
One, two, three Squarespace submissions.
Yeah.
That's good.
Because I've been working on the SEO part.
Really?
Yes.
What you been doing?
Stuff.
Wow.
Kind of Google Analytics and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's sick. Boo. Did she go into a doorway thing? No. Eat a crumb. Yes! Yes, yay! I'm sorry that I had to be quiet for a because I was just waiting for that dragon fire. That one. I think I just went right past him. Oh, no.
Bad. Oh, no.
What?
Shoes and
But isn't she going with friends or no?
I don't know. I mean, I think she is, but I think she wanted me to go with her, you know what I mean?
I want to smack this computer.
What are you doing? Do what you want to
Since
do?
I'm not a survivor, I don't get the
I
hack
miss you
at
guys.
all.
I don't really know if I wanna. I don't know how safe
I think the dragonfire is the one who never messes up. Yeah, dragonfires.
Hey, quick question for you.
Dragonfires
Did you need to return a keyboard to
so I'm
Staples or
waiting for
no?
him to
No, she said she likes it there.
see him pop out.
So I think I'll do it. It was just easier, right? And cheaper.
Yeah.
She just popped. She just escaped. Oh, 7. Okay, she's coming back for it, so. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for her to come. Boo. Oh.
I'm gonna fall asleep in this sour, you know what I'm saying?
I bet you do.
Oh, that's right. It might make it easy for me. Just a leopard bone finger in that. It's weird.
Disgusting. Disturbing.
So disturbing.
The computers that they can't hack, so it's hard.